This video will show you how to add the initial stock when you just start working with Intaila, or how to add newly purchased stock into the system. It is very easy, and you actually just need to create an invoice, add items to it, and save it. Let me show you how. We start with logging into the system. The menu is going to pop up on the left, and we will be looking for the warehouse right here. Now we are selecting the purchase invoice, and that takes us to this window where we can already see one purchase invoice that was previously created. Now we're looking for the actions button. This action button refers directly to this existing invoice. So we're looking for the one at the top, which is the general actions button, and we're selecting input manually. You can see the red boxes are the mandatory ones to fill out. We're gonna start with the store. This is a demo video, so we're gonna select a demo store. You can actually only just put the first 3 letters in, and it will suggest you an option like you can see here for the supplier. Once selected the supplier, we need to put in the purchase invoice ID, which is just a number, and the issue date by clicking on the calendar. So these boxes you don't have to fill out. However, if you want to track your internal payments, select a date here as well by clicking on the calendar icon. And for the purchase invoice boxes, here we have purchase invoice total with VAT excluded and with VAT included. You add the total from your invoice here. If not, it will be calculated automatically as if you put 0. Now we are ready to add an item. Let's try and put our first item as Panadol. We put the series here, which is the batch number, and the expiration date. As you can see, it is not compulsory to fill out this box. However, if you want to be alerted when the expiration date is approaching, we recommend that you fill out this one. Just put a date here. Now we're moving to the quantity boxes. We have quantity in whole for boxes and bottles that cannot be divided, and we have quantity divided for the items. For example, like Panadol, it comes with 10 blisters in a pack. Let's say you have 2. So the quantity is going to be reflected here as 1 whole pack and 2 out of 10 blisters. Moving down here for the VAT, we put the tax number here. We put it not as a percentage, but as a decimal. So for example, if it is 18%, you're going to put 0.18. Now we have purchase price that you are gonna enter the price you purchased it for and the retail price. So if you don't fill it out, you don't have to. If you don't put anything here, it will calculate it automatically according to the pricing rules that you set up in a different section. So we can actually leave it blank, and now we are ready to save. Here it is, our Panadol has been added. We can now add another item. Let's just add another Panadol Extra. We put the batch number again, the expiration date, the same one, 2 full packs. Put the tax here again, 0.18, and the purchase price for which you acquired the item. Again, you decide yourself. You can put the retail price with that included here, or you can skip it to be calculated automatically. We can now save it, and we now have 2 items added to our new invoice. We can continue adding or just create the invoice. I'm gonna hit the create button right here, and you can see that it is now added at the top of our list. Now what we can do is, by using this actions button, we can edit it. We can come back and edit anytime. If you made some changes, you press save if you want to keep them, or you press close and then it is going to disregard all the changes. You can also just press delete. We're going to keep our invoice and save it here. And now we can go on the menu on the left, right under the purchase invoice. We can check our stock. And we can find 2 new Panadols now added to our stock menu right there. So because we put the expiry date at the end of the month, it is now alerting us, showing this in red, that we have 0 months left till the expiry of this particular medicine. Very helpful. Yeah, but overall, this is how easy it is to add an item.